What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2007 Yamaha V Star 1300. Now guys, this is an R-title bike. I want to make that very clear, not like a joking R-title like a lot of you, like I say all the time, with little scratches and stuff. This is a real R-title bike. It's actually in really good shape. A little scuff back there if you can see that. It's got these saddleman bags. It's got Shogun exhaust. It actually sounds really mean. It's got this Mustang 2 up. Scuff in the tank right there. Scuff in the tank right there. Couple scratches over here. It has great tread on the tires. It does have Michelin tires on it. The bike's actually in really good shape, guys, for being an R-title. This is just a bug. Yeah, bug. Got some scuffs in the tank over here, if you can see that. It's a tiny bit dented. You can kind of feel it. It's got some scrapes and scratches. This is all in really good shape. Some scratches up here. Scratch. Looks like it's got right around, let's see, 17,897 miles on it. Guys, the bike runs really good. It'd be a great bike for somebody who's looking to get a cheaper bike but get a great bang for their buck. Like I said, 2007 V Star 1300. This is an R-title, but it's going to be crazy cheap. Thanks for watching, guys.